In this week's edition of the Business Review, we explore the bamboo technology. We've heard about bamboo straws and bamboo furniture, but what about bamboo houses? TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Bamboo for construction. That's the idea behind a new housing concept being backed by the National Housing Trust.
NHT has pledged 54 million Jamaican dollars to do research in bamboo in construction. What we'll actually be doing is constructing houses using bamboo technology. And we will look to see the costs that is incurred to construct those houses and to see if it will be cheaper to build those houses from bamboo technology than the block and steel that we are accustomed to.
As for those who are curious about the rationale behind bamboo for construction, President of the Bamboo Industry Association of Jamaica, Robert Rainford, explains that the cost of housing has a lot to do with it.
We are convinced from the Bamboo Industry Association that this definitely will be a reduction in the cost, and if this is so, it will be a significant benefit to the people of Jamaica, especially for the low-income people, because housing, the price of housing is really out of their reach in many regards.
Experts estimate that over 1 billion people live in traditional bamboo houses worldwide. Studies also show that the buildings are usually cheaper than wooden houses. Bamboo houses tend to be light, strong, and earthquake resistant, unlike many brick and cement constructions. In China, bamboo is used for scaffolding, which is arguably stronger than steel. So, just how much pressure can a bamboo house withstand?
One of the things that startles me was that as a child growing up in the rural part of St. Catherine, we used to make our houses out of bamboo and mud, what we call wattle and darb. Those houses withstood hurricane and earthquake. So therefore, I believe that we didn't understand what was taking place, but I believe it can. And Colombia has been using bamboo in their building construction for over 140 years. And many of the countries in Asia are now looking to bamboo to help to mitigate against monsoon and against earthquakes and other natural disasters.
As for the doubters, Mr. Rainford says there's existing proof that bamboo houses are sturdy.
There's a house right now standing on the grounds at Demby in Clarendon that was built with bamboo technology. That is there for persons to see. It's now going to 5 years since that have been built, and people can see how it has stood up. Because of the strength of bamboo one, and because bamboo is flexible, when wind will come, it will be able to shift without breaking. And that, I think, is something that will be beneficial to us in Jamaica when we construct.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.